Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your bank statements using Discover Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Discover account using a web browser. Enter your username and password, then click the Login button. Once logged in, navigate to the Account tab located at the top of the page. Select Statements from the drop-down menu. You will see a list of your recent bank statements. Choose the statement you wish to back up by clicking on the corresponding link. A new window will display your selected bank statement in PDF format. Locate the Download button typically found near the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Download button to save the statement to your computer. A prompt will appear asking you to choose a location on your device for the download. Select your desired folder, then click Save to complete the download. Repeat this process for any additional statements you wish to back up. Remember to regularly check your statements for any updates or new entries. Store your backed up statements in a secure location for future reference. Consider organizing them in folders by year or month for easy access. Now, you can access your saved statements anytime you need them. This simple process helps you keep your financial records organized and secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.